Here we are going to start a new course that is Power BI. And BI stands for Business Intelligence. So it is Power Business Intelligence. In this course, we will learn what are the benefits of Power BI, why the organizations are moving towards Power BI, and this is the symbol of the Power BI as well. So here I have written some important points related to Power BI, that Power BI is a business analytics service provided by Microsoft. As you know that we have Microsoft Office, which consists of Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Excel, so on. So Power BI is also the product of Microsoft, and Microsoft is working aggressively on daily basis, weekly basis to improve Power BI. So if you want to know more about Power BI, you have to go to the Power BI website, and there you will find the blogs. You can read it, but I will try my best to make it as easy as possible. It provides interactive visualizations with self-service business intelligence capabilities, where end users can create reports and dashboards by themselves without having to depend on information technology staff or database administrators. Now, what is the meaning of this? It is the product of Microsoft. You can import data from different sources. If you want to import data, online data, if you have a JSON file, CSV file, SQL file, you can import in Power BI desktop very easily. If you know more about the Power BI, if you stuck somewhere, there is no need for to find out the database administrators or the IT person. Directly you can go to the Power BI website. You can find out your solutions very easily. So these are the benefits, and whatever data you will import, we can visualize in the form of graphs, in the form of charts, which we will discuss during this course. So in the next slide, I have written more or less the same features of the Power BI, because Power BI is a business analytics service that delivers insights to enable fast informed decision. This is one of the most important features of the Power BI compared to Excel, because if you will see the Excel, when we will work on Power BI, you will find out that more or less Power BI is similar to Excel. Now the question arises, then why we are using the Power BI instead of Excel? So it is fast. The most important feature is it is very fast. If you have a big data, large data, you can import very easily compared to Excel. Then we can visualize that data sets. You can share that visualization or share your data to your colleagues or in cloud, right? So collaborate on and share customized dashboards. Now, what is the meaning of customized dashboards? Here, simply in this lesson, simply you can imagine that dashboard is a kind of the cover page, right? If we have a 2, 3, 4 different pages, so summary or your graph you can find out on your dashboard. But as we move ahead, you will find out more about the dashboards, and it's an interactive environment. So when we will make our dashboard, these are the different kinds of the dashboard I have made for you. So see, you can visualize your data if you want in the form of a pie chart, bar chart, time series charts, and I will show you in this course that how these all charts or graphs are linked to each other. Suppose if you are modified this chart, you can see the variations or see the difference in this. If you are suppose in this, we are going to change something on this graph, so you will see the effect on this graph as well. We will learn. So this is a basic or a simple idea of the dashboards I have made for you. So now the question arises, because as I have told you that when we will work on the Power BI, you will see that it is more or less similar to Microsoft Excel. So this is the comparison between the Power BI and the Microsoft Excel. The most important feature, as I have told you, that it is faster in processing compared to Excel, and Power BI can connect with different varieties of sources, while Microsoft Excel has a limited sources. Now we will also discuss these sources in our course. Power BI dashboards are more interactive, and I have showed you the dashboards in the previous slide. So it is more interactive compared to Microsoft Excel dashboards. And here I have written that if you have a large amount of a data, if you want to import an Excel, sometimes it takes too much time, it is time consuming, sometimes the system crash, sometimes you cannot import it. But this feature is available in a Power BI, Power Business Intelligence. So more tools we will discover as we go ahead. Now the question arises how you can download. It is a free software. This is the site I have written, powerbi.microsoft.com. You have to write down, then you can download. It's free, install it and run it. It will take only 4 or 5 minutes, then you can have, and this is the symbol, right? When you will download it, I will show you here. This is the download free. Click here. When you will download it, then you have to sign up free. Click on this sign up free. It will ask you your email address, but your free email, just like we have a Yahoo, Hotmail and Gmail, this means Power BI will not accept these kinds of email. If you are working in some company, then you have to write down that email address, right? So if it will register, why you have to register? Because I said if you want to share your data or with your colleagues or online, then you have to register. So I recommend you that you have to register. Okay, now there are some other features of the Power BI that you can download it on in Windows. It needs Windows on your computer. Memory should be at least 1 GB, but 1.5 or more is recommended. CPU should be 1 gigahertz or faster. If you want to know more specifications, again I will recommend you go to the Power BI website. You will find out everything there. But meanwhile, what you have to do, you have to download, you have to install the Power BI. As we will move ahead, you will learn more. So, and again I will say that I will try my best to make it as easy as possible. When you will download, what is your next job is? Your next job is, please subscribe to my channel, like it and click on the bell icon, so next video you can receive easily and you can work on it. Thank you.